Welcome back to the DD Squad. Today we'll be talking about camouflage. So you might be asking, what on earth is camouflage? Is it hide and seek? Is it the ability to hide? Well, camouflage actually is
the ability to hide in plain sight by blending in with color,
or by imitating something else. Now, a perfect example of hiding in color is the tiger. The tiger is orange with black stripes.
But for deer, it doesn't see red, so the orange wouldn't appear.
Because apparently deers are colorblind. They cannot perceive red. So the tiger won't look orange, it will actually look green, like the leaves. So it will blend in easily.
And it will be easy to hunt.
That is why many tigers are able to hunt deer efficiently, because of their natural color. Now, let us move on to some other animals. You all know the chameleon. If you have watched Encanto, you all know Camillo, aka the chameleon. So, now let's talk about the chameleon. The chameleon can change its color, not only to hide in plain sight, but also to show feelings.
And it's the same for octopuses too. They can hide in plain sight.
They change the color to match the environment. You might have not seen it, but it's actually really cool. So let's move on to another animal. If you're here in Africa, you might know the kudu. The kudu is like, kind of like a deer, kind of like a springbok, but it's not. So the kudu also has horns, but it does not look like the deer, my fellow Americans. So, if I was to be like this right now, then the kudu would have some white thin stripes. In fact, I have a picture to demonstrate. So, this over here is the kudu. If you see this, it has some white stripes, just a few white stripes over there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it.
But you can see it right there.
So, now that we're done with that, let us see some other animals.
Oh, sorry.
Let's see some other animals that are capable of hiding with color. I did not give many examples, but here you go. So, in this page on the left here.
Yeah, this one. Now, if you can see an animal here,
then that is a fish hiding. In fact, it's not just the flounder fish. In fact, that was the flounder fish. Let us talk about the most easiest to see. It's the zebra. Because the zebra is black with white stripes, it actually looks like it's moving. If you've seen an illusion, whereby it's just stripes, but if you run it through a paper, let's say this is my paper or my thingy, and then this is my paper, and then I run it through it will look like it's moving. I tricked you all there. Either way, let us continue. So the zebra looks like it's moving to predators. So if there's a lot of them, it won't be easy for lions to actually see where it is.
And here's another example. Praying mantises. They can hide in leaves since they're green.
Yes, very true. Now let's look at animals that use imitation. Now,
here's an example of imitation.
So, these are glasses. It looks like I'm some kind of woman with,
nice glasses.
Yes, but I'm not actually wearing nice glasses. I'm actually wearing no glasses. Ha 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 ha. Trick questions. I'm kidding. So, actually, that's not really imitation. Well, let me give you an example of imitation. You guys have probably seen a moth. Kind of like a butterfly, different from a butterfly. They're kind of the same thing, just flying around. But except the moths fly in your house and are very annoying. Either way, a moth and a butterfly both use imitation. Like, for example, you might know the mosaic butterfly. Maybe that butterfly with the black outline and then the orange in the middle. Yeah, so that butterfly. There's also another butterfly, which is not that butterfly, but acts like that butterfly. Because to predators or birds that or anything that eats that mosaic butterfly, it's very bitter. So, and they eat other butterflies. So in order for this butterfly not to get eaten, it acts like the mosaic butterfly. It's orange at the back and it's black, but it's not the mosaic butterfly. Yes.
And another example of imitation is a stick bug.
Yes, a stick bug looks like a stick, but it's not there. In fact, if you look here at this picture, do you see the stick bug? No, it's pretty hard to see.
But the stick bug is just right here, this stick.
It's just the stick in the middle.
And then there's another thing like a stick bug.
It's a worm, except it looks like a twig.
Yeah, it seems like it's branching out from this stem.
Yeah. Also, caterpillars. This caterpillar, you've probably seen it. It's green and it curls its head up. And this side looks like an eye. It just looks like eyes. So it actually scares some things. Maybe like, oh, it's a bigger animal. Oh my gosh. Oh, and another example of moths. Using imitation is when their wings. It's like there's a big circle here and then a small circle here. It looks like eyes. Like,
Huge
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, just like that. Now let's see some other examples of animals that use imitation. Of course, I did not say all of them. Oh, my goodness, there's a whole lot here.
And there's also a turtle. It hides in grass with its shell safe. And here's a quick fun fact. Turtles do not get out of their shell.
Yes, they might peek out of their shell, but guys, turtles are their shell. They're not inside, they are their shell. Also, turtles use imitation by acting like a rock. When they come into their shell, they look like a rock.
Yes.
So, another example is a fly that looks like a bee.
Yeah, I've also been confused with that once. So once I was in the bathroom bathing, and then I finished. But then I saw a fly. I thought it was a bee. And then I got a bit scared, but then I realized it was a fly when it stopped flying.
Yes, also here is a fun fact about mosquitoes. Only female mosquitoes drink blood. Ew. Okay, now that's all for the animals that camouflage in nature. There are many more examples, like fireflies.
And also, here's another fun fact. Turtles can imitate like a rock and also look like grass, so it's a perfect camouflage.
Yes. So there are many more animals. There are fireflies, there are flies, there are bees, even the simplest of the kinds, lions, tigers, deers, kudus, springbok, anything you'd like to say, even a hippo. They all use camouflage in some sort of way, even us humans. Now, either way, that's it for today's video. Be sure to tune in for more videos, and either way, subscribe to that DD Squad
so that we can reach 100 subscribers. We only have 80 something.
Either way, goodbye everybody.
Bye.